What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me for another edition of God's Gardening and Guns. I'm just doing a little blacksmithing here tonight. The old budget build for the budget AR. This is the M&P Sport 2 AR-15. Tonight I'm going to put the Magpul M-Lock AFG angled foregrip on it. The other night I did put this Vector Paragon 3x magnifier on it. So far so good. Haven't got out to shoot it yet, but overall very pleased. There was very little eye strain when sighting some stuff in. I'm going to take it out to the outdoor range and see if I can group some shots with it. But first I wanted to add this as the next little modification, if you will. So the M-Lock mounting is pretty easy. This is a free-floating handguard. And I haven't torqued these sights in yet, so I might actually do that. With the AR, there's not a whole lot of recoil, so usually 20 pounds of pressure with the torque wrench will be enough and you don't have to Loctite it, but some people do anyway. So I don't know if you can see this, but your basic M-Lock setup here, little Allen wrench screw with the little piece that locks into the handguard itself, the bottom rail. As you can see, both my M-Lock pieces are on. What you want to do is figure out where you want to rest your hand. They can be finicky. You can manipulate these with the Allen wrench to make sure you get them locked in properly. Once you get them in the place that you want, you essentially just tighten the Allen wrench and you'll be able to feel it tighten up. You see I got some pliers with the Allen wrench, just tightening it up. Alright, we'll touch it up with the old torque wrench here. Those that don't know, torque wrench, 20 pounds of pressure is usually the go-to for tightening the bolts on optics and that kind of thing. If you have like a shotgun or a handgun or something that kicks a lot, use Loctite. I have some right here. But until I'm permanently setting everything, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the 20 pounds of pressure. And that's usually good enough, especially for an AR, because an AR you get very little kick whatsoever. Alright, good there. good there. Alright guys, so that's it. Angled foregrip on the budget build. We'll see some action at the range pretty soon. I'll probably give you a little preview. Alright guys, that's God Gardening and Guns signing off. Hey guys, I just want to go ahead and add this little video here at the end. I know we mentioned it earlier in the other video, but here are the screws that are tightened up on the red dot sight, and then there are the screws for the magnifier. The way this came, I had the red dot here. That's where it was installed on the rifle. I was going to get a new red dot, but this has a green dot on it, and I mean, it checked out for me. Big thing, guys, there's a lot of gatekeepers in the firearm world. If it works for you, it works for you. I mean, let's just go with that. There's no shaming on this channel. But anyway, so I loosened up these screws, moved this forward, and you need to have it pretty close to the red dot, the magnifier, when you're installing these. But it's up to you. You want to look through and you want to check the eye strain, how well it look, just the total picture when you're looking through. Once you find your sweet spot, keep it there. I tightened mine up. Once I zero this thing in and figure out this is how I want it, I'm going to loosen one screw at a time, put a little dab of Loctite on it, and go ahead and finish these and permanently set them. So, all right, guys. Once again, a little bonus footage for you, but thanks again for joining. This is God Gardening and Guns.